Today, the round built-in function in Python 3. Let's start with a look at the docs. Round takes two arguments, one mandatory and one optional argument. The first argument is the number you're going to round, and the second argument is to how many digits. I also want to mention that there are some edge cases with the round function, and they have to do with just the limitations of floating point numbers. It's not specific to this function. It happens in Python, it happens in databases, and that's something you can read more about. But I'll show you that limitation first before we even go into the normal functionality. So here we're going to round 1.5 and get 2. We're going to round 2 and get 2, and we're going to round 2.5. And isn't that crazy? That returns 2 as well. So I think this is going to be a little bit unintuitive that both 1.5 and 2.5 both round to 2. And those are the exact limitations that we're talking about here in the docs. Now, let's clear that off and just look at the normal functionality just to review the basics. So let's say we have 1.252525, and that will round to 1. And if we have an optional argument of none, that will round to 1. Those are equivalent statements. Now, if we passed 0 here, we're going to get that decimal place. So 0 behaves a little different than none does. And then, of course, if we have 1 decimal, that's what we have, 1 decimal to the right of the comma. 2, 3, we have 3 decimals, or 3 numbers to the right of the comma, etc. So that's the normal functionality of the round function, and keep in mind that there are some non-intuitive elements as well. Thanks for watching.